Service Cloud is a tool under the Salesforce Platform Framework. It is used in multi-channel customer services such as email, chat, web form, and phone. The start screen shows the agent's dashboard, on which we can see all the basic information needed for effective operating. At the top of the screen, there is a contextual search engine that facilitates access to information that interests us. It works the same as Google, finding every result that contains a given sequence of characters. On the start screen, the agent sees menu reports that can be managed in any way. This way, they supply crucial data from our point of view for the efficient work of our employees. By our example, we see such information: the number of agents' cases, their priorities, and types. The next charts show the current realization of KPI that our customer service agent has to achieve. These details allow us to monitor the results of our sales activities under the customer service, as well as change department image from only a cost view to the one that also generates income. On the right side, we see the list of handled cases. To verify the status of cases operated by the agent, we switch to their list and then set the filter to My Cases. Thanks to the Kanban view, a clear data visualization makes it easier for the agent to work with assigned cases. With one click, we select the case and go into its details. Until now, the agent was inactive and was not accepting other tasks. At the bottom of the page, there is a quick access toolbar from where we go to Omnichannel. It is a place where the system assigns cases to customer service agents. When an employee status is changed to active, the system displays cases to handle. Tasks can be assigned according to various criteria: availability, customer service channel, and agent skills. As we can see, at the moment when the agent has changed status to available, cases were assigned to him automatically. In this example, we have a case handled by phone and request via the site. We chose the option of availability in all channels, but we can also work through one selected channel, for example, operate cases via chat. To present you an example, we have handled an incoming call from Mr. Tomasz, who is our customer. When the agent takes a call from the number assigned to Mr. Tomasz, his card displays automatically. Thanks to that, the agent has all the information required to manage conversation efficiently. Mr. Tomasz reported a problem with the device that is covered by the warranty. During the conversation, we create a new case to be handled. The first step is to select the channel from which the case has come, and then we complete the case's subject and a short description of what has been reported. In our case, Mr. Tomasz is a contact person. We enter the type of the case, its status, as well as priority. Because the ABC company has bought a premium support package, we are obliged to specific response time and request solving. We save the case. The conversation with Mr. Tomasz is over. This call has been saved in the system automatically. Let's go back to the case. On the right side, we can see how much time was left for us to implement the measures on the service quotes. In this case, we have 9 minutes for the first response. We jumped in time, and we see that the completion time is not respected, and it will be included in report that I will present to you in the following part of the material. The first contact, solution proposal, and case closure are the exemplary milestones. We are free to determine which steps are to be executed for different support agreements, so that they would reflect provisions in the customer contracts. Later, we see suggestions on what to do to close cases successfully, and below that, the proposal of materials that can be used to solve the case. The system suggests which articles from our knowledge base we could use as a response to a customer. We reply to Mr. Tomasz directly from the request form. To do that, we use the suggested article. As shown, everything happened within the system, and the information that can be sent to the customer is already prepared. All the actions taken are built up in the case card, enabling other people involved in the customer service process to have an insight into the history. Now, they can continue taking care of the case. In the illustrated example, we used our knowledge base. It is an incredibly useful resource that improves customer service. The knowledge base can be built with the use of articles, mail templates, or external sources of information. Service Cloud suggests the right materials that can be used as a response to a customer automatically. Let's move to the view of the Customer Service Team Manager. We start with the current work of agents. We see their statuses and information for how long agents are in a given status, and mainly if they are available to handle further cases. Capacity and workload show what the load level of the customer service department is. These are configured according to criteria established in the organization. For example, if someone supports mail or SMS, we may assume that he or she can have up to 3 cases at once. In the case of someone who supports a phone channel or chat, we set 1 case at a time maximally. Then, Service Cloud does not assign to queue another case until the end of the ongoing call. The next parameters in this view are the number of queues the agents are assigned to, and their skills that can be used to assign requests. If we support international customers, we can set the case assignment based on the language skills of our employees. A point-based rating system of particular skills enables direct requests to someone who has the highest competencies to handle the case effectively. For more information on Service Cloud, you are welcome to contact Craftware's experts.